Yo, Vinny, I'll be right there. I gotta record this promo. Yeah, I know. I'm the king of Flip Cup. I'll be right there. Oh, hello. The Jagermeister here with a message for the Purple Parrot. Now, all of you pathetic EWA fans might not know this, but the Parrot and the Jagermeister go way back. How long has it been now, Parrot? 10, 15 years that you and I have been going through this? The Parrot and the Jagermeister came up together. We trained together. We've been through it together. We made our EWA debut together. Now, there's no happy frat boy right now. Now, you're getting the brawler from Baltimore, Parrot. Because what's happened now? You go and you win Wheel of Fortune, not once, but twice. And then what happens? You start main eventing EWA show after EWA show while the Jagermeister is clawing and scratching his way, trying to get anyone to notice. That's why this Saturday, across the EWA-verse, the Jagermeister is going to bomb Parrot. Parrot! This is not some game show on Saturday. You're not going to be a contestant on the Wheel of Fortune. You are going to be a contestant on the Jagermeister's Wheel of Pain. Jagermeister is gonna see you Saturday, Parrot. Ah!